Good afternoon, everybody. So we're finally live now, and we'll be doing uh, NFP news together. The goal is to actually trade NFP news together. So we're looking at NFP news, and I would just like to do a very quick analysis of my expectation on XAUSD, and hopefully we'll be able to get good move. Without wasting any of our time, let's just go straight. We have the significant level on the daily time frame. We have the significant level on the daily time frame. NFP is coming up in the next few minutes. The next few minutes. The next few minutes. And what's my basic outlook for gold? Gold has really bought for a very long period of time. Gold has really bought for a very long period of time. And basically, my overview for this trade, I'm just trying to mark out my significant levels first. I'm basically trying to mark out my significant levels. I'm starting with marking that out first. Basically trying to mark out my significant level. I have the significant level right here. The market is also, I won't be going too deep. I'll just try to do everything real quick. Okay, I have the significant level right here. Also have this significant level right here. So I have this significant level right here. So basically, what's the expectation for gold? Gold has been strongly bullish, very bullish. So we've been seeing more of bull runs on gold. We've been seeing more of bull runs on gold. We've been seeing high volatility for the buys on gold. And just like news actually do follow price action, but then we need to be on the right side of the market and we need to actually enter at a significant level. We need to be able to get in at a significant level. That's our main goal. To get in at a significant level, to get in at a level where uh to get in at a level where the big boys are, and we're actually not scared to actually make moves or stuff like that. So I've tried to like mark out my significant levels. Please, if you can hear me, let me see one in the chat box if you can hear me. So I actually know that we are together. If you can hear me, let me see one in the chat box, please. If you can hear me, let me just see one in the chat box. If you can hear me, if you can hear me, just type one in the chat box. So I know we are together. Okay, active. So what's our view basically on gold? So I've literally tried to mark out my significant levels. I've tried to mark out my significant levels, and depending on the reaction that we actually get, a lot of people saying gold has overbought, and that is very true. Gold has really overbought. Gold has bought for a very long period of time, and we have this significant level right here that the market retested for a very long period of time before it was finally able to break that level. You can see that resistance level was retested about 3 times. Let's go down back to the daily time frame. You can see this level was retested about 3 times, making that level very significant. And we're just basically looking for any reaction that we get at this level for the basis of our decision making. If we have any reaction coming as far as this, then we're definitely going to get a continuous spike to the top side. We're definitely going to get a continuous spike to the top side. Energy for Christ. Hello, hi, brother. So basically, there's possibility of getting this kind of move here on gold, but then uh, we need to be able to think. We need to be able to take action properly. We need to be able to take action properly. Let me just try to mark out our significant psychological level. Let's try to mark out our significant resistance level, our significant psychological level rather, that we expect gold to buy up to if the buy momentum continues. If the buy momentum continues, what significant level are we going to see continuation? What level are we going to see continuations? Basically, just like the highest gold has gotten to so far is this point right here, and this is 3575. So let me try to mark out our next significant psychological level, which and that will make us arrive at 3600. 3600. Okay. I'm just trying to do something right here. I want to 3,600. We also have 3,600. 3,600 is a psychological level, and 4,000 as well. There's possibility of gold buying up to 4,000, but I'm not saying that's going to happen now. We're basically studying the move that we have right now. We're basically studying the move that we have currently in the market. We're basically studying the move that we have currently in the market. So looking at this level being a significance level of 3,600, anything that makes gold break this significant resistance level that it has been consolidating around, we are still going to go down to the lower time frame. That might be securing us about 360 pips. But then let's go lower. Let's go down to the 1 hour time frame and look at what's actually happening in real time. What's happening in real time? What's happening in real time? So real time, we can see this support level right here. I don't know if you're actually seeing my screen properly. We can see the support level right here that got broken. It got broken to the downside. Market is doing a retest, and we're basically there's possibility of us getting what continuation of the sell move, which might come up to this level, possibly, or rather even come as far as this level right here. And from here, definitely, I can tell you, are going to have continuous spikes to the top side. We're going to have continuous spikes to the top side if we get any move that come as far as retesting this level, because this level is not just here. This level is a very, very significant level, right? This level is a very, very significant level. Why did I say this level is a very significant level? This level is the level where this level is the level where market created very, very strong resistance on the higher time frame. Just like you can see on the 4 hours time frame, you can see what's going on here. Our market is actually finding hesitation, breaking this level to the top side. Anything that makes markets break this level to the top side, then definitely we might be having more bull run in the market. Basically, we might be having more bull run in the market. But anything that makes us, if we are unable to break this significant resistance level that we have right here, then we might have what continuation of the sell. We might have continuation of the sell. We might have what continuation of the sell, right? So, are you following? Okay. So let's try to mark out our significant support level where we might be looking forward to enter our sell, possibly if the sell is going to happen. And I told you that that sell is definitely just going to happen if we are unable to do what? If we are unable to have a break of this significant level. But anything that makes us have a break of this significant level, the market is definitely going to what? Continue strongly bullish. It's going to continue strongly bullish to the top side, right? Market is going to continue strongly bullish to the top side. I'm actually looking at flipping as well at my end. I'm actually looking at flipping at my end. So just get ready. The news is coming up in the next 14 minutes. Non-farm payroll, just like NFP. It's coming up in the next 14 minutes. So let's try to mark out our significant support level that we might be looking at getting ourselves from. Right here on the 15 minutes time frame, right? Right here on the 15 minutes time frame, we have this level right here. We have this level right here. The market has strong. We have this level right here. The market has strong support. We have this strong support level right here, right? So if I'm actually looking to sell, which is only going to happen if market is unable to break what this significant resistance level that we have right here. If market is unable to break this level to the top side, then definitely we might be having spikes that will be breaking this support level to the downside. And just like when news is coming out, there's nothing like waiting for a retest. Retest is not going to happen. Just like proper on a normal trading day, you are going to be expecting something like this, a retest and continuation of the downtrend, right? That's what you're going to be expecting. But in this kind of market scenario now, what are we basically looking for? We're basically going to be setting a sell stop at this level, which is going to happen below this area right here. So this is what I'm basically looking at getting on gold. Let me use the 1 hour time frame so the chart will look actually very simple. The sell stop will be coming up around here, and we're just going to keep our stop loss at about 78 pips right here. And I might be targeting as far as this giving us about 320 pips. This giving us about 320 pips. But anything that makes us get a break of this level to the top side, anything that makes us get a break of this level to the top side, then definitely the sell might not happen, and might continue having the buys, the continuation of the buy, right? So this is what I'm basically expecting on gold. This is what I'm basically expecting on gold. So for me right now, I'll try to set a sell stop. For me right now, I'll try to set a sell stop. I'll try to set a sell stop. So we're going to be having a sell stop order. Our SL will come at 3539.68, and our TP level will be at 3499.33. Right? Are you following? Our stop loss order will happen around 3531.8. I don't know if you're actually following. So this is my basic expectation on gold, and I'm going to be activating my own order at my end right now. I'm going to be activating my orders at my end. So set a sell stop right now, guys. Set a sell stop, and let's monitor through. If we have time before the news, we're going to be analyzing BTC as well. But I'm looking at trading Nasdaq as well. For Nasdaq, I'm actually seeing some potential move on Nasdaq. I'm trying to set my orders at my end. So basically for gold right now, I'll try to set my sell stop. Just go down to your order limit area on your screen and just set your sell stop, right? Set your sell stop order. Set your sell stop order 3531.8. And my stop loss will be at 3539.39. My take profit will be at 3499.33. I'm going to set as much. I'm actually looking at flipping, so I'm going to set as much order as possible. As much order as possible. Three five three one point eight.
Hey, morning. So,
I'm going to try to set my order.
how you guys doing? Yeah, come on. Enter. What are you doing?
3531. 3531.8.
I'm being boy today. My first trip I'm there up to now. Just now they need me. I went to Tibaga. All my money this morning. If you want to buy a home, I cannot buy it now.
3531.8, like I said. That's if we have a break of that level. I'm setting my orders, guys. Set your orders now. Set your orders right 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 now. Set your orders. Set your orders right now. So I hope you actually understand the what's it called? I hope you actually understand the psychology behind all of this trade. Just like I explained. I hope you actually understand the psychology behind all these trades. Just like I explained. Set your orders right now. We're having a sell stop at this level. Just check my right top. Just check up my right top. Check my right top. Right? Check my right top. 3531.8. But like I said, if we have a break, anything that makes us have a break of that level, anything that makes us have a break of that level right there, then what? We might be seeing opposite reaction. But we're seeing markets finding it hard. 31.8. We are seeing what market is actually finding it hard to break that level, right? Market is finding it hard to break that level. So that's why we're actually hoping to get on that move. But anything that makes us have get a break of this level, then what? Our order might not be valid. It might not be valid. It might not be valid. It might not be valid. I'm actually setting my orders right now, guys. Set yours as well. Let's see the market reaction together. Let's see the market reactions together. 3531.8. Set your orders. Let's see the reaction together, guys. Let's see the reactions together. Let's just study the reactions together. Set your self-stop order. Let's just be patient and let's actually watch out the move. The news is coming up in the next. Uh, the news is coming up in the next 4 minutes. Let's try to check out BTC. Just like I said, anything that makes gold break this level to the top side, then what? The buy might continue. The buy might continue up to this level. But we're actually seeing this reaction. Market is finding it hard, right? Market is finding it hard to break this level, making this level very, very significant, right? Making this level very, very significant. And we might even see that sell going as crazy as possible up to that our 4 hours time frame marked out zone. Up to that our 4 hours time frame marked out zone. I don't know if you're actually following. Up to I've set my limit order and I'm literally just waiting for the news to come out. I'm literally waiting for the news to come out. Then we see how it goes. Basically, just waiting for the news to come out. Then we see how it goes. Right? That's what I'm basically expecting. That is all I'm basically expecting. That's what I'm basically expecting. That's what I'm basically just expecting. Right? That's what I'm basically expecting. So let's see. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. The news is coming up in the next. Let me see how many minutes more we have to the news before, so I can see if I can actually share some clue. We have just 1 minute to the news. We have just 1 minute to the news, guys. We have just a minute. We have just a minute to the news. We have just a minute to the news. We have just a minute to the news. We have just 1 minute to the news. Just 1 minute to the news. We have less than a minute to the news. We have less than a minute to the news. It's actually risky selling now. That's why we have to just be patient. We have to be more and more patient. Very, very patient. We have to be very, very patient. We have to be very, very patient. I'm just trying to like study some move. I'm basically trying to like study. The only reason why our sell stop cannot come, initially our sell stop is supposed to come from this area right here. Our sell stop is supposed to come from this area right here. But the only reason why our sell stop cannot come from this area, right, is because there is another significant support level below that area. Yeah, are you following? There's another significant support level below that area, and which is this area right here. Meaning that there's another what? The news is out. The news is out already, guys. The news is out, guys. The news is out. The news is out. The news is out. The news is out already. Now that we're actually having a break of this level, the potentials of us having continuous buys is actually very, very visible. Having continuous buy is actually very, very visible. It's actually very, very visible. It's actually very, very, very visible. Actually, very, very visible. Okay, the news is out already. The news is out already. The news is out already, and we're seeing more of bull runs. We're seeing more of we're seeing more buys. We're seeing more buys. We're seeing more buys. Okay. Price now that price has definitely been able to break this level. Now that price has been able to break this level to the top side. Now that price has been able to break this level to the top side, right? Then there's the possibility of what continuous movement to the top side. So we've missed this move already. 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 Price definitely break this level, and the potential that this sell stop is actually going to be activated isn't looking real. It's not looking real. So just cancel all your orders. Cancel all your orders. Cancel all your orders. The news is out. We are still seeing continuations of the bulls, and market is definitely not ready to sell yet. 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 Cancel all your orders. Cancel all orders. Cancel all sell limit. Sell stop orders. Cancel all sell stop orders. Cancel all your sell stop order. You can see the way market has literally. You can see the way market has literally been what. You can see the way market has literally just been what consolidating between this area, and it was finding it hard to break above. Right? Market was finding it hard, very very hard to break above this level. Right? Market was finding it hard to break above this level. Market was finding it hard to break this level, right? Market was finding it hard to actually break this level, and we're expecting what US dollar to actually be stronger, but at the end of the day, US dollar is actually still very very weak, still very very weak, and gold is spiking crazily to the top side. Gold is spiking crazily to the top side. So for this news, we're not able to get an entry. We're not able to get an entry for this news, and we'll just end it here. Hopefully, next week we'll be able to get some real move and we'll continue from there. But looking at this momentum, if we get rejections of this level, if we get rejections of this level, let me try to mark this up. If we get rejections of this level, if we get rejections of this level right here, then what we might be seeing markets falling crazily to the downside. But markets might just come back to retest this as well. Markets might come back to retest this and continue the movement to the top side, up to buying up to this significant psychological level, which is 3,600. But we're not able to get this movement straight. Just like we've always traded NFP and we've always traded it successfully, but we're not able to get an entry and there's no pressure. There's no actually pressure on that. I'm seeing Jesse Proper saying no problem. Yeah, there's no pressure. There's no pressure on that. There's no pressure on that. No gain, no lose. We're still cool. We're still very, very cool. So let's just stay patient and hopefully next week we'll be able to do some real flipping together. Hopefully next week. I'm really looking forward to flipping this account and hopefully next week we're going to get some real move together. So for now, just cancel all your limit orders. Cancel all your limit orders and let's see what market has for us next week. Let's see what the market has for us next week. Let's see what the market has for us next week. Let's see what the market has for us next week. So that will be all for today, guys. That will be all for now. Stay safe and I wish everyone success. Next week, April will be our September will be our best month ever. By God's grace. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. We just started September. Today is on the 5th. We should be bagging the real bag. We should be bagging the real money before the end of September. By God's grace. So that will be all for now, guys. See you later. Thank you, Sam. You're welcome, Nana Yao. You're welcome, Nana Yao. The only thing I see as the error from here, yeah. Let me just try to share my basic idea. Why I feel we weren't actually supposed to be looking on that. You can actually learn from what I want to say. So if you are still active, just stay patient and follow up. The thing is, there's no ideology like market has overbought or market has oversold or whatever. That's the thing that got us wrong in this market. Because literally, sincerely speaking, I was going to get us on the buy. I was really, really going to get us on the buy, which could have given us about 200 pips. But the ideology of market has overbought or something was what made me think we had this strong resistance level right here. The market was unable to break. Can you see that now? Can you see what's happening now? Can you see what's happening now? Market has broken this level and it's just going to what continue. It will just keep spiking. It's just going to keep spiking to the top side. Market is just going to keep spiking to the top side. It's definitely just going to keep spiking to the top side. It's definitely going to keep spiking to the top side. So the ideology of market has overbought or market has oversold that the gurus said is actually very, very wrong. It happens, but at the same time, it's the using that as the basis of your decision making can really put you on the wrong side of the market. Just like you can see what has happened right now. Just like you can see what has happened right now. You can see what has happened right now. I was really going to get us in from here and could have made this much, but then no hard pressure, no pressure. We'll be able to get real move next time. And the ideology of market has overbought or market has oversold, delete it from your head and just try to follow the momentum. Try to follow what the market is doing presently. That's the thing. That's the thing. That's the new all-time high on XAUSD. Exactly. Exactly. Market just created a new all-time high on XAUSD. Market just created a new all-time high on XAUSD. Market just created a new all-time high on XAUSD. So that'll be all for now, guys. That'll be all for now. See you guys later, and hopefully next week we'll be trading on Sunday as well. We'll be trading on Sunday. We'll be analyzing this market together and what we're actually looking for. Our projection on this market. We'll be trading live together on Sunday. We'll be trading live together on Sunday. We'll be trading live together on Sunday. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully we'll be able to make good money by Monday. I'll just do this analysis together and that will be all. All right, take care. See you guys on the next. Bye.